Look at this master, guys. As you can see, nice king size bed, flat screen TV. Again, you've got that balcony that connects. That's what people want. They want to lay in this bed right here and hear those ocean waves going. You do have a closet, you can see here. And then the master bathroom, tub shower combo. Now, let's get to that lockout unit. Perfect for couples, guys. Couples, families. You know, you got a lot of people. You got a whole nother unit, a whole other unit right over here that you can use. You have a nice little seating area here, 2 beds, and a whole other balcony, which is super cool.